Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hip Hop Boxing Match. The reason for the fight, it is because Big Zulu made a diss track and dissed MT.
Ngithe uneMercedes entanyeni kodwa amagarage MT.
Joe! That's a bar! That's a bar, ladies and gentlemen. MT, what's your take on that, my brother?
Ngilambile ngisela irumu nabantu and angangengeje nguthi iBig Zulu khona so ngifuna umshaya.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, without any further delay, let's get down to business. Let me introduce my fighters. On my left hand side, we have Big Zulu. On my left hand side, we have the guy with the Mercedes, MT, the hustler.
It's you hit me with the avocado. Ngifuna umshayele umuntu.
Perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to round one. Whenever you are ready, you may start fighting.
Hayibo, wenzani lo?
Ngilambile ma. Nomona iBig Zulu. Ngifuna ukushaya manje. Ukushaya manje. Bangishaya. Bangishayalani manje?
Shaya. Hey, it's over. It's over for round one. You saw MT won the first round. Now we are going to an ad break. Our fighters are going to drink some water nyana and let's stay cool. For as long as they're going to for a break, please make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The aim is to hit 100,000 subscribers. Subscribe while you are watching, while our fighters are still taking a break. Be ready for round two.
Mana amanzi lapho. Hayi ngidisappointed ndoda. Ngahlula lo mfana nyana waseJozi la. Zange uzodlala lana. Mfana umshaya ama ribs lapho ke la. Yabona le nto.
Alo mfana indawo uyandelela lo mfana.
Hayi ndoda. Hayi mabuye la. U round 2 manje. Masibuye ku round 2 buye strong kabi. Uye strong blind.
Ungawari wena ngizodilana naye.
Kuka le nto ngathi dlala uRoslin. Ngazodlala lana. Manega, that nigga was not supposed to touch you from the beginning. Ngomshayile from the start nje. Asathi uyangena ugaga 1-2
Yeah. Hayi lemkhulu lo muntu iBig Zulu you know. So mina ngifuna umshaya next round you know. Ngifuna another match ngithola umntwana mina.
Siyangena ku round 2 no ratsena nebona tlhatlhamula le mo no sure rabatsena no. Yangithola ethi say something nyana uzokuya energy yangithola manyana ngizokuseta no ngizokuseta emakancane ngizokuseta no angibona ngathi awuna kraha nyana thingi Bona bamba nomchamo nophuza uzoba strong uzobona nawe.
Hey. What the fuck, man?
Energy drink, traditional one, this one.
Umurundo wakho loyi. Ngidlela masimba.
Yabona ke manje. Singena ku round 2. Awunyiwe.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We are back at round 2. This time, the winner will get the trophy. We'll get the trophy. So our fighters are ready now. Whenever you are ready, you may start fighting.
Ngenzani manje ngifunani manje Kufunani man. Umuntu man.
Abe.
Ah! 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ladies and gentlemen, you saw the fight. The winner is MT the Hustler. Say what the fuck?
Mshayile.
Mshayile.
Yeah.
You remember you said Ulambile. What? My brother, you want the pot to cook. You will no longer be hungry. You understand? Here's your cup. Ladies and gentlemen, let's meet again for hip hop boxing match. Our winner. Mshayile lo muntu lo, Mshayile ohambile. Ofethu, don't forget to like and subscribe. Switch on the notification bell. Senza ngama simba lento le. Any artist you want MT to battle with, baletheni. Sizobashaya, uyangizwa? Hayibo. Ba.